Hello everyone, here in Olivino with a new wine, but this is not a new wine actually, because a lot of my clients have requested it, because this was a one of the month last year, and it proved to be so popular because of its value, and also it's 2011. It's a red wine made by Sella Mosca, and it's a very particular red wine, and I would recommend this to people who are used to drink aged Bordeaux, aged Burgundies. It's a wine because it's 2011, but it's got that sort of a leathery and age to it. It's very smooth. It's got a lot of sediment, so it needs to be properly decanted. And it's today at a sale for £25 for the quality of wine, and its vintage is a very good value for money. And so I would recommend this to lots of people, but it's not for everybody. As I said, this has got to be drunk by people who are actually palate for vintage red. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.